Hello, today we're going to be taste testing McDonald's french fries. Are usually one of the best french fries that a fast food chain sells. And then I also have a side of mayo and ketchup, which is the best dipping sauce. I love McDonald's french fries because they're like the right amount of salty but also crispy. And even if the fries are really soggy, it's like a good amount of soggy, not like too soggy, if that makes sense. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and taste it. So they have that nice crispy texture, and then the inside is that nice like fluffy inside that everyone loves. And then you can taste that like beef flavor that they add. Obviously they made some changes to the fries, so it's safe for vegetarians but not vegans. You can see how all the fries are just like very crispy. They have that crispy outside, and they're like perfectly salted, which I'm assuming because they salt them immediately after they come out of the fryer, out of the oil. But yeah.